Are you tired of the 9-to-5 rat race? I don't mean anything against anybody who works a 9-to-5, but to my people out there who trying to make money while we sleep, I am talking to you, because there are people out there that just don't believe that you can be at home in front of a computer making phone calls, submitting documentation, and managing contracts and making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. And I understand the skepticism from a lot of the people that watch my videos who aren't business owners. They don't understand how contracting works, period, because government contracting is similar to contracting someone in a day-to-day business. It's no difference. It's just you're dealing with the government. And when you're dealing with the government, people place this high pedestal on what are the requirements and what they need to do. But I'm here to tell you that government contracting is not as hard as you may think it is. That's why I'm here. I want to put people in position to win. I want everybody to win, because this market of government contracting is so vast and expansive, everybody can get a piece of the pie. The federal government is the largest buyer in the United States of America. Nobody spends more money than the United States of America, and a lot of it goes to government contracts. If you're serious about getting into government contracting and you want to learn how to make this money from home, lock in with me. Give me 30 days of your time and I can promise you, you will see results. It is not hard. It is not hard at all. You can make it hard, and trust me, we all do. When you tackle something that you're not familiar with, it seems hard at first, but once you get an understanding of the verbiage that are in these contracts, what you need to submit, then you will start winning. So for all the people out there that feel like they're just stuck in the same position, I have created a perfect situation for you. It's called the GovCon Accelerator Program. And what the GovCon Accelerator Program will bring to you is I will submit 5 proposals on your behalf. But let me explain how the process will go. We'll set up a Zoom call on a time and day that you're available. When we're on the Zoom call, we're gonna find solicitations. Then you're gonna call subcontractors while we're on the Zoom call. I could even call a subcontractor, show you what are you supposed to say to these people? What pertinent information do you need in order to get a quote? Once you have the quote, you're gonna send it to me. Then we're gonna get on the Zoom call again. I will put the proposal together for you on Zoom. I will be sharing my screen with you. You will be able to see exactly how I put the proposal together. If you don't have a logo, I will create a logo. If it's something you don't understand, I will explain it. I will literally hold your hand through the entire process and make sure that you understand exactly what it is that you're needing to do. I decided to bring this forth to you guys because I'm getting a lot of questions about how do I do this? How do I do that? Let's just break it down and make it simple. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm here to offer you a helping hand to push yourself further into this process and achieve results. It's all about making money and building a network. You hear me? So I want you to succeed as much as you want to succeed. I want you to win this government contract. I'm going to do everything in my power to help you win a government contract. For the first 10 people to sign up, I have something special for you. I'm not gonna announce that here, but for the first 10 people who take advantage of the offer, I am going to do something very special for you. For all you guys out there, I just want you to understand you can do this. Anybody can do this. It is not hard. It is not hard. I'm not gonna just say it's just so easy, but don't overthink it. Don't overcomplicate it. Let me simplify it for you. Let me show you the system you need to implement in order to make the process quick, easy, and simple. We don't have to overcomplicate government contracting. So if you're serious about stepping into a new future, lock in with me. Book a call with me, and I will explain everything to you. If you guys haven't seen my last video with Mr. Don, he didn't know anything about government contracting before he met me. His first contract award was for $100,000. It was like 103 total. His profit is like 31K. And one thing about him, he understood from the very beginning, you're not paying me anything. You are investing in yourself. And you know, some people kind of look at it like, oh, why would I pay somebody to help me do this? And it's like, no, you're not paying me. You're investing in yourself, in your future, in your goals. This is about you transforming your life into what you want it to be. You know,
right. And see, the thing is, we speak about this a lot. It's all about the mindset. You know what I'm saying? Just to think about it like, oh, I'm not paying somebody that means you just eliminated yourself out of the equation, because you looking at it as paying somebody for them, but you really gotta, like, I look at it as I'm paying you for me, not for you, because whatever information you give me, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna make it into something. You understand what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. So it's just about the mindset you gotta have. You can't look at it like that.
As I said before, what the GovCon Accelerator program will do for you is save you time and money. You hear me? I mean, we're gonna make this process simple and easy for you. It's time to make a change. How many minutes, hours, days are you gonna waste not taking action, not moving forward in your life? Stop wasting your time. I don't know the mindsets of people watching this video, but I drove trucks for 7 years. I got tired of that. So once I got into the government contracting space 2 years ago and realized how much money I could make while being at home, it was game over. All it takes is the right system, implementation of that system, and your effort. You have to put in the work. You gotta put in the work. I just want you guys to understand, most people live in a world where they trade time for money. And I want you guys to understand that you don't have to trade all your time for money. Most people have the 9-to-5 mindset where they look at their pay as in a direct correlation to how many hours they work. And it doesn't have to be like that. To make millions, do you think the people making millions of dollars work 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, putting in overtime? So for all my people out there that are looking for a change and you want to do something new and you're just tired of the situation you're in, I want you to go to thecontractingpackage.com and sign up for the GovCon Accelerator program. And like I said, for the first 10 people, I'm gonna do something special for you. But the only stipulation with that is I need you to come on and let me interview you and tell people about the experience that you had. But if you guys got any questions, drop them in the comments or book a call with me. And until next time, God bless America. Lead Advisor out.